We're going a little bit more degen in this video, and this is a chart I really like the look of. So Gala, we've had leading indicators from the RSI. We're about to break trend. Let's dive in. Gala's looking juicy, guys, trading just under 5 cents. And this is why I wanted to show you. This is a bit more risk on. It's a little bit more degen. It's high risk, so treat it as high risk as far as risk management is concerned. Ensure that you protect yourself. So what I'm going to show you is this break of trend, the importance of this break of trend, because we're breaking now. We're looking like we're going to take back the 50 daily moving average. That's an important thing. And then what's going to happen, if we start making a series of higher lows and higher highs, this 50 daily moving average is going to start crossing up. Your 20 daily moving average will start crossing up. And what do we say about the traffic light system? Once you've got the green at the bottom, you've got the yellow in the middle, and you've got the red at the top. That's the 20 at the top, the 50 in the middle, and the 200 at the bottom. That's bullish. What do you start seeing once you start seeing price trade in this direction? Here, look, bullish price action, bullish price action. So that's exactly what we're looking for. It's happened here. It's happened here. And now we're waiting for the traffic light system to come back in play again. So that's the moving averages. We need to regain the 50 moving average in the short term. We need to break today and close above trend. We also need to break and close above the 50 daily moving average. And then we can go back and test these previous highs. These previous highs are actually sitting from where price action is now to the previous high, 80%, 81% to the upside. So that's not to be sniffed at in the short term. That's a short-term trade. From an investment perspective, what about investments? We're going to zoom out in a minute and going to have a look at investments. But first, I just want to show you, this was the leading indicator that was telling us that we were about to break. It was the RSI. The RSI measures buyers and sellers. Who's winning between the buyers and the sellers? Below 50, price is hovering below 50, it tends to be in a bearish trend. When it's hovering above the 50, it's a bullish trend. So we broke early. That was indicating that the bulls are regaining momentum. The buyers are regaining momentum. They've had an early break on the RSI, which was signaling a break of trend. We've got the break of trend, and now we're hovering above the 50 line of the RSI. So that's bullish in the short term. Right, investment. Get rid of the RSIs. And just zoom out a little bit to show you exactly where Gala's been before. And we talk about gaps on this channel, the importance of gaps. What do I mean about gaps? I mean this here. This has got no build-up of price action. There's no support and resistance being built up here. So when there's no support and resistance being built up, there's no levels that people can take profits at or accumulate at. So people don't know whether to accumulate here, here, here. There was no indication that buyers and sellers were having a tug of war battle at these levels. So what you get over these points where there's a gap is an acceleration in price action. So once Gala goes, it could be the ETF, it could be the Ethereum ETF that triggers that. Once Gala goes, it's got not much resistance all the way to its 382 Fibonacci retracement from its previous 2021 bull market high, and that is sitting at 33 cents, just under 33 cents. So from where price action is currently sitting now, that is a gain of 551%. We have got a little bit of resistance to think about before we get there. That's this previous high. That's sitting at 29 cents. And we've also got the previous low here, which is sitting at 15 cents. That could act as resistance going forward. But as far as price is concerned, from where we are now, that's 215% to the upside. Would you be happy? Ask yourself this question. Would you be happy if you got this, you didn't take profits here, and then it come back down and tested this as support? Alternatively, would you be happy? That's one scenario. Would you be happy if you took profits here and then price went all the way back up to here? Ask yourself that question, because it's all about the risk management, guys. You can take 50% off here, you can take 20% off here, you can take 10% off here. Build it into your strategy because it's an important thing. Don't be greedy with your entries. This is high risk, so take from it what you can. If you did enjoy this video, guys, let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next, what altcoin requests that you've got in your portfolio that we can monitor together. Check me out on Twitter, Bullseye for Crypto. Check out the Telegram group, link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.